AUTOGLYM Engine&Machine Cleaner is a powerful non-corrosive cleaner for engines, components and machinery. It works as a combined detergent and degreaser, which can be used on plastics, rubber, paintwork and metal. Simply cover exposed electrical connections in the engine bay, such as alarms, spray on, brush and hose off to rapidly dissolve oil, grease, grime and traffic film. For added protection, finish with AUTOGLYM vinyl and rubber care. AUTOGLYM Engine&Machine Cleaner. Quick and safely cleans a complete engine bay. Rapidly dissolves oil, grease, grime and traffic film from all surfaces. Solvent-free, water-based and biodegradable. With a spray-on, brush and hose-off formula. If you are cleaning your engine, you might want to consider the following products: vinyl and rubber care, bodywork shampoo conditioner.